Hello students, myself Dr. Sheki Pratima, Ahmednagar Jilla Maratha Vidyaprasarak Samaj's New Arts, Commerce and Science College, Ahmednagar. Public Finance in India. This is your 8th chapter as per your 12th standard syllabus. Basically, the public finance is the most important branch of economics. There are lots of branches, but this branch is most important. So we have just discussed in this video the different the structure of the public finance, and then second thing is the definition of public finance. So the government is the formal or the informal institution created by the people in a specific region to perform various functions such as the protection from the external attacks, then the protection of the private property of the people, then the generation of the employment, then maintaining the internal law and order, provision of social needs like the education, health. These are the first priority of the government. But the next thing is like the different functions which is applied by government. So if we have to discuss the next point related to the government, the role, so the functions of the government can be classified as the two part. The first is the obligatory functions and second is the optional functions. So what is the meaning of the obligatory function? This is the compulsory, this function is the compulsory, means this work is the most important taken by the government. So the protection from the external attacks, then the maintaining the internal law and order are the obligatory functions, which is the followed by the government. Then means this function is a compulsory. Then second is the optional functions. So the provision of the education and health services, the provision of the social securities like the pensions and other welfares. Means these are the supportive function. So that is called as the optional functions. So let's we discuss the next point related to the public finance, like the meaning and the nature of the public finance. So the public finance to perform the above the mentioning functions the adequately and the efficiently, any government needs the funds then which can be reviewed from the various sources. So we know the concept of the public finance is a combination of two words. The first is the public and second is the finance. Public is a collective for the individual living within a administrative the territory. In economics, it is used to the signify the government which the represent the public. The finance this simply means the income and the expenditure. So the public finance is nothing but it is the study of the principles of income and expenditure of the government at the central, state and also the local level. So this study is done by the undertaken by the public finance branch in economics. So let's we discuss the second point related to the public finance. It's like the definition of the public finance. So we know the different economists have discussed the definition of the public finance. So let's we discuss the first definition according to the Dalton. So the public finance is one of those subjects which are on the borderline between the economics and the politics. It is the converted within the income and the expenditure of the public authorities and with the adjustment of one with the others. So this is the definition of the Dalton. Then the second definition is according to the Findlay Shiras. So the public finance is the study of the principles underlying the spending and the rising of the funds by the public authorities. So let's we discuss the next chart related to the public finance, like the differences between the public finance and the private finance. So this chart will explain that the points, the different points, the like the public finance and the private finance, the different objectives, then the determination of the expenditure, then credit status, then the rights of the prints and also the elasticity of the finance and effects of the economy. So I have shared that the screen in your in this video, that the public finance, what is the role about the public finance and what is the role about the private finance. Okay, if you have to read that the chart, so that time you have to better understood what is the role about the governmental side. So the next chart is related to the public finance, like the structure of the public finance at a glance. So the structure will explain that the first point is related to the government side is the public expenditure and second main is the public revenue. Means what? The revenue is the most important, and the what is the sources about the public revenue? These the main source is like the tax. Then second is the non-tax account. So the tax, there are two types. First is the direct and second is the indirect. And the non-tax account, the different parts it's included, like the fees, then the prices of the public goods and services, then the special assessments and the fines and the penalties, then the gifts, grants and the donations, and also the special levy, then the borrowings. These are the major the revenue. These are the major part of the non-tax account. Then next is most important is like the public debt. But if you have to focus that the public debt, there are two ways. First is the internal and second is the external. Internal public debt means related to the different the commercial banks and also the RBI. Then next is the external means related to the international level. So next point is like the fiscal policy. In the fiscal policy, this part is related to the public expenditure, public revenue and public debt. This is the most important. The where government will spend our income, that is called as the public expenditure. Then next is the public revenue. Basically Indian economy will accept the social welfare program, so that's why the day by day the governmental expenditure is increases as compared to the public revenue. Then last is the public debt. So the public debt is most important. It's like the internal level, domestic level and also the external level. So that is the most important. And next is the financial administration. See, the financial administration means the revenue expenditure and debt policy for the overall growth. That is called as the financial administration. So this is the basic structure of the public finance at a glance. So I think in this video I just introduced that what is the meaning of the public expenditure. Okay, so goodbye everybody.